What's going on, guys? This is Kev's Hobbies and Adventures, and today we're doing a Panini's Contenders box break. Excuse me. Now, what we're looking for in this box is obviously an autograph, memorabilia cards, rookie ticket wild cards. I'm not sure about the kind of parallels you'll find in here. On the back it tells you. Right here you can see what else you can find in the box. And yeah, I got a couple of these. This is a mega box. I got a couple blaster boxes as well on the way, so let's check these out. There's quite a bit of cards in here. There's 14 packs per box, 8 cards per pack. And we'll start with the first pack. From what I've seen so far, I've seen a couple other breaks on YouTube as well, and the cards look really nice from what I've seen. This is my first time seeing them up close and in person. Yeah, they don't look bad at all. Tyler Boyd, Kirk Cousins, Patrick Mahomes. Any Patrick Mahomes is a good Patrick Mahomes. Stephon Diggs, Gardner Minshew, Adrian Peterson, Aaron Jones, and some kind of Dalton Keene and Devin Asiasi. Not a bad card. It's a nice looking card. Wish it was 2 other players, but Marlon Mack, AJ Green, Cam Newton, Kyler Murray, Nick Bosa, Myles Garrett, Sterling Shepard, and a winning ticket, Drew Brees. Not numbered, but still a nice card all the same. Joey Bosa. Is Nick Bosa and Joey Bosa brothers? I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments if you know. Chris Godwin, Courtland Sutton, Mark Ingram, Jared Goff, season ticket. Oh, they're all season tickets. Leighton Vander Esch, Le'Veon Bell, and Jimmy Garoppolo MVP card. And my kid reporters, I never use them. You guys can have them if you want. I couldn't care less. There's another one. Miles Sanders, Joe Mixon, Julian Edelman, Aaron Rodgers, Josh Allen, Preston Williams, and Dwayne Haskins. The last card is Jalen Hurts, Rookie of the Year. Not bad at all. I like this guy. You watch. So I got Dwayne Haskins. I got two rookies, Dwayne Haskins. And Dwayne Haskins actually got picked up by Pittsburgh. So, hey, he got another chance. So those who had Dwayne Haskins rookie cards, this pack feels thicker. I'm going to save this one. For those who had Joey, what is his name? Dwayne Haskins rookie cards. And then when he got dropped from the team, you thought, oh my God, what a waste. Well, he got another chance. Let's see what he does with it. Because it wasn't about his skills. It was more about his behavior. So, Russell Wilson, Baker Mayfield, DeAndre Hopkins, Phillip Rivers, who just retired, Alvin Kamara, Todd Gurley, Jalen Ramsey, and a Cam Akers Van Jefferson. Excuse me. We have a Ben Roethlisberger, Dak Prescott, Jason Witten, Tom Brady. Any Tom Brady card's a good card. Drew Lock, Tre'Davious White, Josh Allen, the other Josh Allen, and MVP, Baker Mayfield. Again, not numbered. There you go. You can have it if you want. I'm excited to see what's in that fat pack. Felt kind of chunky. Let's see if there's something nice. Teddy Bridgewater, Dalvin Cook, Tyreek Hill. Love Tyreek Hill. J.J. Watt. Terry McLaurin. Matthew Stafford. Jimmy Garoppolo. And Joe Burrow, Rookie of the Year card. Bam! This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. So I got a couple good hits out of this box so far already. And I haven't even gotten to the fat pack. Look at this. Rookie of the Year, Joe Burrow. He actually had a good chance of becoming a Rookie of the Year too if he didn't get injured. Between him and Justin Herbert. DJ Moore. Ryan Fitzpatrick. Tyrann Mathieu. Brandon Cooks. Daniel Jones. Lamar Jackson. A.J. Brown. And Xavier McKinney and Trayvon Diggs. So I already got a Joe Burrow rookie card, a Jalen Hurts Rookie of the Year card, and I still haven't even hit my auto yet, or my memorabilia card yet. So far so good. Juju Smith. Sony Michel. Larry Fitzgerald. Khalil Mack. Michael Thomas. Wish he played more this season. Marquise Brown. Okay. This is my Ezekiel Elliott MVP. And this is my auto. McTelvin Agam. Arkansas. Who is this? Denver Broncos. Meet your favorite player is one thing. Oh my gosh. Who is this guy? Is he a rookie? I hope he's a rookie. If he's a rookie, I don't mind at all. Oh yeah, he is a rookie. There's a rookie symbol right there. You know what? Actually, not bad at all. Rookie. From what I hear, rookie autos are very, very, very hard to come by in contenders. So just to hit, I mean, do I wish it was someone else? Yeah. Just the fact that I even hit a rookie auto. Tyler Lockett. Nick Chubb. Had a good season this year. Saquon Barkley, wish he didn't get injured. Kerryon Johnson. Carson Wentz. Sorry, it looks like you're on your way out. And Hurts is taking your place. David Montgomery. He had a really good season as well. Drew Brees. And a Josh Allen MVP card. Nice as well. You can have that. Not bad, not bad. Could have been worse. Still got 4 packs to go. Still haven't opened my chunky pack yet, so let's see what they surprise me with in there. We have an Austin Eckler. Mike Evans. Philip Lindsay. Josh Jacobs. Aaron Donald. Derrick Henry. Jamal Adams. And Rookie of the Year is this. Oh. I thought it was Swift. Jeff Okudan. Darius Leonard. James Conner. Amari Cooper. Derek Carr. Julio Jones. Keenan Allen. Rob Gronkowski. And our Rookie of the Year is Cam Akers. Okay. I like that. Nice looking card. This pack feels weird as well. Oh, let's see what happens. Could be just my mind playing tricks on me. Christian McCaffrey. Adam Thielen. Travis Kelce. Melvin Gordon. Alshon Jeffrey. DJ Chark. Is this another autograph? I knew something felt weird about this. Hold on a second. Okay, let me see the card that's underneath it. Oh, shucks. Well, we already know it's a Cam Akers. Let's see what this card is here. Dan Marino. Legendary. Still not numbered. A nice card regardless. And you can have this. And now let's take a look at this Cam Akers, see what it looks like. Ooh. Rookie ticket, Cam Akers. This is a nice hit. This was a nice box. Would I call it loaded? It was a really nice box so far. I got Cam Akers. Cam Akers Rookie of the Year. Joe Burrow Rookie of the Year. And then a rookie auto. Oh, and also the Jalen Hurts. And then we have another pack that feels chunky. This one feels fatter than the other pack. So let's see if we get another surprise. Oh, I don't know. I thought my mind was playing tricks on me the last time, but it wasn't. TJ Watt. Ezekiel Elliott. Sam Darnold. Devontae Adams. DK Metcalf. Odell Beckham Jr. Oh, another one. Oh, no. Okay, it's the wrong Jalen, but still. I got two, and this is, okay, I call this a hot box. Look at this. Another. Who is this? Legendary. Peyton Manning. Very nice looking card. Not numbered. And then we have another rookie patch. Wow. Jalen Reagor. I thought it was Jalen Hurts, but you know what? I'll take it. This box, you know what? I'm borderlining on calling this a hot box. I'm borderlining on calling this a hot box. Look at all these hits. Wow. And I got a couple more boxes coming. Let's see how those ones stack up. This is a mega box. Let's see how they stack up to the blaster boxes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And I'll see you all soon.